Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Fearless. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Subscribe now and let's make it fun together.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from America. I'm from America. I live in California. I live in California. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I like English. I like English. Can you help me? Can you help me? Of course. Of course. What time is it? What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? It's over there. It's over there. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I want some food. I want some food. Let's eat. Let's eat. This is delicious. This is delicious. I'm tired. I'm tired. I need to rest. I need to rest. See you later. See you later. Good night. Good night. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Take care. Take care. I like music. I like music. Do you like movies? Do you like movies? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a student. I work in an office. I work in an office. It's very hot today. It's very hot today. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. What day is it today? What day is it today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. I'm going shopping. I'm going shopping. How much is this? How much is this? It's too expensive. It's too expensive. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. What does this mean? What does this mean? I forgot. I forgot. Let's practice English. Let's practice English. Thank you for watching until the end, my friend. Your support is motivating. Until the next video, English Fearless.